When experts make a prediction, they rarely pick just one number. Instead, they use a confidence interval to show the likely range. Think of it as a margin of error. It tells us how much we can trust a sample to represent a larger group. A 95% confidence level means that if we repeated the study many times, the true result would fall in our range 95% of the time. They help us avoid overreacting to single data points by showing the potential spread of outcomes. While a point estimate gives you one target, the interval tells you how much wiggle room you should actually expect. As you collect more data, your confidence interval usually gets narrower, meaning your estimate becomes much more precise. Remember that no model is perfect. Use these intervals to guide your expectations rather than searching for a single absolute truth. Understanding these tools helps you read financial reports with more clarity. Subscribe for more basics and stay informed.